How to see deleted messages on Messenger on Android. This tutorial shows you how to recover them by exporting your message data directly from the app. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. From there, tap the menu icon at the bottom right of the screen. After that, tap Settings at the top of that menu. At this point, scroll all the way down and tap Account Center. In the next step, tap Your Information and Permissions. Following this, tap Export Your Information. From here, an in-app browser will open. Tap Create Export. After that, select Facebook from the list. At this stage, tap Export to Device. Once done, tap Customize Information. From here, tap Clear All to deselect everything that's selected by default. After this, scroll through the list and select Messages Only. At this stage, set your preferred date range. Following this, tap Export. Finally, enter your password to confirm and submit the request. Once the export is ready, you'll get a notification to download the file. Open it up and your messages will be inside, including ones that were deleted from the chat. Keep in mind that this only works for messages that existed before they were deleted. If they were removed from both sides early on, they may not show up in the export. That's how you recover deleted messages on Messenger on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you then.